Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to solve another SQL problem. So the question is customers who never order. Let's see what question says. So we have a customers table with ID and name. So ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicates the ID and name of a customer. Okay. And we have another table orders which has ID and customer ID column. So ID is the primary key, customer is the foreign key, reference columns of the ID from the customer table. Okay, so this customer ID is the foreign key for this ID. Each row of this table indicates the ID of an order and the ID of the customer who ordered it. Okay, write a solution to find all customers who never order anything. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. So let's see the example. So we have this customers table. So these are the 4 customers and the orders table. So we have in our order table customer 3 and 1. So that means Sam and Joey are the one who ordered something. That's why their entry is there in the orders table. And write a solution to find all customers who never order anything. So basically we have to find the customers who never order anything. So that means in the customer ID, the ID from the customers, this ID won't be there, right? So in our customer ID we have only 3 and 1. So we have to basically find the missing IDs. Okay, and we have to return the customer name in our output. Okay, so this question seems pretty simple. So one approach which is coming to our mind is like, somehow if we could able to find the missing customer ID, then our question is solved, right? So we can say I want to select name. We just have to select name from customers where my ID is not in. So ID should not be in if we select customer ID. From orders. So if we do this, then here what we are doing, we are selecting the customer ID from orders, and we are saying all these ID should not be present in my customer table. So ID not in this, that's what we want, right? And we want our column name as customers. So let's try to run this. So yeah, we got the answer. We can submit. So it is accepted. So I hope this solution is clear. Was pretty simple. So now another approach which is coming to our mind is, basically we have to take all the data from customers table, right? And we have to somehow get the information from this orders table as well, right? So this is hinting towards using left join, because we have this ID and customer ID columns are same, so we could able to join with this one, and we basically want all the data from this customer table which is not there in customer ID. So if we do left join based on this ID, and then somehow if we could figure out like the orders which are not present here, the customer ID which are not present here, then that is our answer, right? So let's try to join these two tables and let's see the intermediate result what we get. So let's say select star from customers, and I want to do a left join because basically we want all the IDs from customers table. So I will do left join orders on, let's give this alias, so orders O, and then I want to join my c.id should be equal to o.customer ID, right? So let's see. So here, so we could able to join, and now what we are getting here when we did the join, so because id 1 was present, right, then we got these two columns as well in our data. id 3 was present, so we got these two column information from the orders table, but these are null. So whatever columns are not present, those are null in our intermediate table, right? So if we do where clause, where my order dot id is null, so if we filter only on null values, then we will get our name, right? And then we can simply write select c dot name as customers, and then if we run it, then it is accepted. We can submit, and it is accepted. So yeah, that was it for this question. I hope it was clear. If there is any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.